Monkey mind versus smart mind. Meet Akshat, an ambitious, hard-working salaried professional. He wants to break out of his middle-class life. He wants more for himself and his family. On his best friend's advice, he tries his hand at the stock market. He could make millions and turn his life around. He opens a trading cum demat account with a full-service broker with best terms of margin trading. Now, Akshat is swamped with information, trading calls and emails from his broker, unsolicited SMS stock tips, free F&O trading calls from newly joined Telegram channels, and even mid-cap suggestions from friends. In his desperation, he wants to do it all. He's making some losses, but his mind is only focused on the gains. Akshat continues to trade with the successful investments, but fails. He moves on to the ones left, but fails again. He faces a loss on funded margins as well. And now he is deep in debt. Blaming his losses on bad luck, Akshat quits the stock market. He loses not just his money, but his confidence too. His dream of making it big lies shattered around him. Over trading is a suicide. This is Shikhar, a smart and successful businessman, always ready to take risks. He watches his peers make extra money from the stock markets and wants the same for himself. He is hardworking. He does his research on the net, chooses the best discount service broker, and subscribes to independent research analysts separately. He avoids the mistakes Akshat made. He is careful, selective, focused, and trades with sincerity. But at the same time, Shikhar is overcautious. He only trades in selective ideas with concentrated positions. He doesn't even keep the required stop losses. His undisciplined approach and attitude to play it safe actually deterred him from diversifying his risks. Ending up with losses and blaming analysts, he winds up his trading activities. Emotional trading is injurious to wealth. And this is Moksh, a middle-class, self-employed professional wanting to make it big. He has a balanced mindset. Despite a full-time job, he does ample research and learns from other successful traders, combining external information and opinions with his own analysis. He implements wise and well-researched strategies. Once he invests, he stays alert and keeps his eyes on the market. He also has his hits and misses, but knows how to learn from his mistakes. He does not quit. Moksh keeps the fortunes of his family safe and also peace and harmony. Unlike Akshat and Shikhar, he plays the game with the right balance of sense and sensibility and succeeds as a smart trader. Trading with discipline brings prosperity. Trading is not gambling. Filter information resources. Don't overtrade. Don't leverage. Don't depend on others. Keep stop losses. Keep patience. Apply a back-tested strategy. Make every trade count. Remember, you're not the owner of your family's wealth, only a trustee. Trade with responsibility. Let us help you trade responsibly. Let's start now.